All right, so here's my new Argentinian parrilla Asado barbecue. All custom made with the handle, the V-grates, a drip tray, fire bricks, a barasso to make your coals, and a nice shelf underneath it. And the tires are awesome too, actually. They're pretty good quality. And I'm going to be starting this up in a few minutes for the first time, and I'm going to cure the grates. Okay, so here's the start of the fire. I'll get it together and we'll get this going. Just got the fire going, and gonna guess it's gonna take just about 30 to 40 minutes to burn down to where I want it, so I can move the coals over and start seasoning the grates. Alright, so now I am pre-seasoning the grates. I'm getting some oil on it before I move the coals over, and I'm using a combination of vegetable oil and what else do I got here? Flaxseed oil, which has a higher burning point, and it's what I use on my cast iron. And I'm basically taking newspaper, dunking it in the bowl, and coating everything. And then I'll move the flame, I'll move the coals over and start heating everything up, and I'll start to build basically a crust on top of this. All right, looks like here in New York it's gonna rain soon. Gonna let everything burn out. But here is the beginning results of seasoning these grates. Started with a fire in the barasso, moved my coals over, as you can see down here. Lightly oiled with a newspaper every single grate, and it's starting to season. As you can see, this is where it was cooler, and here is where it's getting hot. It was hotter, and it's starting to season the grates, and it looks like it's coming out good. And it's going to take quite a few barbecues to get this where we want it to be.